Welcome to Terry's Tips, guys. Get a notebook, get a pen, because you saw the title, how you can get up to $250,000, guys, in literally 5 days or less. You're going to see when I talk about this, okay? And we're talking about business credit, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to outline a brand new fintech company. They're not actually new, but I have not talked about them on my channel before. They have a brand new financing option. I'm going to tell you what you need to qualify, what you can use the money for. I'm going to drop some nuggets through the entire video. And then you already know, at the end, guys, I'm going to announce our 4 contest winners, our 40K contest winners. I'm super excited. So let's jump right in, guys. So first, what is a fintech company, guys? I talk about fintech companies a ton on this channel, okay? Fintech companies are basically like alternative lenders, private lenders that specialize in funding entrepreneurs, small business owners, investors, guys. I love them. Like a lot of times when banks will say no, fintech companies will say yes. They have a more streamlined process. They'll fund you a lot faster, less documentation, not as rigid requirements, higher amounts, right? And so think about the fintech companies, the businesses, kind of like how hard money lenders are to investors. They do one thing, funding. They have different kinds of funding, right? But they're so much more flexible. Now, nugget here, there's always a trade-off. A lot of times they may have higher rates, but this is why for us, for you all wealth warriors, we're putting it into income producing assets, things to grow our brand. So we have the money to pay it back and then, have a surplus and rinse and repeat, do it all over again. Now, nugget right here. Who is a business? Who can build business credit? Guys, everybody, write it down. Everybody, guys, if you have a side hustle, incorporate it, build business credit. If you have a full-time job, you can still build business credit, guys. Literally, business credit is a way to add an additional stream of income to your household, because if you use it for something wise, then it can actually bring you some income. And guys, it can save your whole life. That's one of the number one ways to build wealth is multiple streams of income, okay? So everybody, you do not have to be a full-time entrepreneur, full-time investor, full-time small business owner. You can have a whole full-time job and build business credit and qualify for this money fast. Okay, guys? So the company, National Business Capital. I was about to say funding. National Business Capital, guys, write them down. Now, on my channel, I don't just outline any lender, okay? So even though I have not talked about them before, guys, they've been around since 2007. They funded over $2 billion with a B for small businesses. They have, an A+ BBB rating. They're on Trustpilot. So guys, they're actually a leader in the fintech industry, and they are a marketplace. So when you work with them, they have a network of about 75 lenders that they kind of work with to kind of get you the best options, okay? So National Business Capital. Now, the type of financing, guys, it's a brand new, look, somebody say new. It's a brand new product called equipment financing. That's so cute. It's like kind of like equipment financing, but it's equipment, right? Because they're talking about getting you guys approved within like 1 hour to 1 day at the max. I'm saying 1 day. They say 1 hour, but I'm like, if you apply at 1 o'clock in the morning, I'm really going to get an answer 2 o'clock in the morning. So to be safe, they fund you. They will qualify you in 1 day, and you can get funding in 2 days. Qualify you in 1 day, funding in 2 days. That's why it's called equipment financing, right? So guys, the funding amount, it can go anywhere from $10,000 is the minimum up to $250,000, guys. Okay. Now, pause. Let's talk about what you can use this money for and who can use it, guys. They fund a ton of different industries. So this could be anywhere between like medical, daycare, finance. It could be content creators. It can be consultants. I wrote some down. Software, manufacturing, food service. Guys, I want you to think outside the box, right? Because that's what this channel is about. For all my newbies, this is a wealth building ministry, and I talk specifically how to leverage your personal and business credit to build wealth, legacy, inheritance. I focus on big money. It's 5, 6, and 7 figures. So make sure you subscribe, okay? But guys, even think about if you're a real estate investor, equipment financing can even be furniture for your Airbnb. Let's say you have a Toro business. Equipment could be a car to put on the road, guys. Come on, somebody. Equipment finances is almost anything. For my content creators, for my coaches, it could be your iPhones, your laptops, your cameras, your ring lights, your microphones. Like literally, you would be surprised. Sometimes even your office furniture, like your decor, Like, guys, think outside the box, and when in doubt, you just ask, right? Because their simple process is literally like write this down, an easy online application. Then you get assigned a personal advisor, and then they go over options with you, right? But I have some more things to tell you about them, right? So they basically fund almost anybody, right? So when in doubt, ask. Like literally almost anything is the equipment financing, and then we're putting it into things that are going to grow our business. Guys, sometimes you can even use it for like payroll, like you'd be surprised, right? So they'll actually tell you. Now, this is the thing that I like, guys. So write this down. Like there's basically two options right here to qualify. They have, if you need $75,000 and under, $75,000 and under, they have one kind of set of requirements. Then the other set of requirements is that if you need $75,000 and above. So again, if you need a car to put on Turo, you may not need $250,000, guys. Nugget, get your foot in the door, build a relationship with the lender, and then get more money and more money and more money, right? So for $75,000 and under, guys, I had to write myself some notes because I'll forget. Listen to this, okay? $75,000 and under. Minimum credit score, 600. If you follow me, all of y'all should have a 600. If you don't, go ahead and invest in a credit jumpstart strategy session and let me help you, okay? No minimum revenue amount requirements. Y'all know how many credit cards and loans and all those things tell you need $5,000 a month or $10,000 a month. Guys, if you need financing $75,000 and under, there is no minimum revenue requirements and no minimum required time in business. Come on, somebody. I need y'all to like, share, and subscribe because I'm sharing some gems that people do not talk about, okay? Nugget right here. The lender matters. The lender matters. The lender matters. One reason why I get results for you all is because I'm strategic about the lenders I talk about. Okay, now if you want $75,000 and up, and guys, they do big financing, right? So this is where even like if you're a construction company, if you're a landscaper, if you're an interior designer, like all these different things, if you're a barbershop, a hair salon, if you have a gym, you need equipment, if you need a food truck, if you are a restaurant, guys, think outside the box, okay? But if you need $75,000 and up, then you need a 600 FICO score. They want a 120 a year annual sales, and you have to be in business at least 6 months. Guys, that's like nothing, right? Like 6 months. So even those requirements are not crazy. So they pride themselves on, better terms, fast funding, easy process, being quick and fair. They are a marketplace. So like I said, about 75 different lenders in their immediate network kind of help them. Now, guess what, y'all? Somebody say, guess what? Guess what, y'all? Soft inquiry. Boom! Right? So I will say this, guys. Now, as of the time I'm doing this video, this actual product is a soft inquiry. But what I will always say to you guys is that, when you pick up the phone, you're about to apply. If you have any questions, check their website, ask them for it first, and make sure it stays that way. But soft inquiry. Now, let's talk about documents, right? Guys, they do not require tax documents. They want 3 months bank statements, and that's basically it. It's a digital online application. You go ahead and you get the personal advisor. And guys, one of the benefits to this is that you are going to own the equipment, not rent it, right? So because you're going to actually own it, you also may have some like tax benefits. Now, guess what else, y'all? I got another nugget. Y'all want another nugget? Y'all want another nugget? Guess what? 100% financing. So that means that they will actually give you the financing for the equipment, right? And that will also cover any deposits and any taxes. So let me give you an example. Let's say you have a Turo business, a trucking business. Let's say you have one of those Amazon businesses and you just have box trucks or whatever. And you would normally need a down payment and then the financing. Guys, with this product, they will give you all of the money. Somebody say all. That means no money out of pocket. So you can actually finance the down payment, the actual equipment, and the taxes. 100% financing, y'all, okay? It's like I said, $10,000 to $250,000. Make sure I didn't forget anything. I'm looking over my notes real quick. The repayment terms are going to be like 2 to 5 years, guys. Soft pull. Yes, and I think that's all I wanted to, say. They also, like I said, A+, BBB, they're also on Trustpilot. Yeah, I really, really like them. I'm actually going to be talking about them a little bit more because they have some other products that may be available to you guys. So your next steps, right? Guys, go to their website. I'll put the link in the description. Look at their items. If you qualify for something, then go for it. If you don't, then wait until you qualify or work with me, work with our brand, and we'll help you actually get there. When in doubt, pick up the phone and ask them, because you may be unsure if what you need for your business qualifies as equipment. Guys, success tip. Successful people make decisions based on the facts. So don't assume you don't qualify, or don't assume what you need does not qualify for equipment financing. Ask them directly. Okay, guys? And then for my winners, guys, so we had a contest because our channel, our community has hit 40,000 subscribers. So again, thank you. I am humbled. I am grateful. I'm excited that we are growing, especially because I'm a part-time YouTuber. I only post new videos twice a week, and I use just my cell phone, as you can probably see in here, which that will be changing soon because I got my equipment up. Okay. But this is where, just thank you guys for, I love what I do. It's a wealth building ministry. Looking good on paper has changed my life and so many of your lives. So the contest was that 4 of you would actually win my proven wealth building system, credit leverage lifestyle. That is for personal and business credit. It's to help you build, rebuild, launch, leverage, and it comes with the winner circle, right? So that the winner circle is priceless. It's our private Facebook group. I do monthly at no extra cost live Q&A sessions, and I also have monthly Zoom workshops and lenders. So guys, that part is priceless. So even if you did not win, it's an awesome investment, and it's usually a tax write-off for you too. Nugget, I'll put the information in the description of this video. So our 4 winners: Nina Witt, 56. Okay, Monica Brown, 7527. Yenno, I think it was YENNIFEL 1. And I am Brianna Ebony, 3529. Guys, let me just say thank you to everybody who entered the contest. Literally, guys, I took the time to read them all, and I was like in tears. That's why I'm all late today, because people were still applying, and I wanted to make sure everybody got a chance. Y'all have me in tears. Y'all have me in tears. And so first, let me just say, for people out there, when you are a brand and you are, making videos and sharing content, on the other side, you don't know if people are receiving the information, if they're executing. A lot of times you all have results and you don't come back and tell us, and we don't know. And guess what? We need to know. We want to know, right? So if you out there have watched any video and you got a result, you bought a house, you started a business, you helped, a brother or sister repair their credit, you got collections deleted, like whatever it is, please share, comment on the video. Like, I want to know your story, because number one, it's inspiration for somebody else. But number two, it also lets us know to keep on going, what information you guys need, where we may need to do more videos, right? And so share your story. Okay. So as I was reading this, like reading what you guys wrote, all of your testimonies and results, I was like literally in tears. And so thank you. It's a blessing to Jesus. Y'all know I'm a crybaby. It is just a blessing to wake up every morning and do something that you love. And I absolutely love what I do. I'm grateful for everybody that supports our brand, that supports me, for your encouragement, for your kind words. I'm, way more things. We're still growing, and more like exciting things, on the new horizons out there for you guys. And so just thank you. And for those 4 people, Nina Witt, 56, Monica Brown, 7527, Yenno 1, and I am Brianna Ebony, 3529. Oh, Monica Brown. I want you to reach out to us at info@caretools.net. I will actually go back to your comments and let you know that you are a winner, so you guys can email us, and then we'll walk you through next steps. And guys, what I would say to you is I actually discounted the price for like the next week or so for Credit Leverage Lifestyle. People have 5 and 6 and 7 figure results fast, but more going. It's a community of wealth builders. It's ongoing repetition, ongoing support. You get monthly access to me. I'm active in the group. I have actual lenders come on. We have like inside contact, some great lenders. So I would love for you to become part of our wealth building community. It's way more than a course. It is a proven system to build wealth. So whatever your goal is, right, to leave your job, to retire your spouse, to pay for your parents' home, to put your kids through college, to pay off student loan debt, maybe you want freedom, a scholarship fund, a nonprofit, whatever it is, I just want to leave you with this nugget. We're not promised tomorrow, and God gave you a gift for a reason. And so credit is not the goal. Credit is a vehicle to help you get to the goal. Looking good on paper, like getting financing like this, can sometimes free some of you all to do the thing that you love, to monetize your passion, to use your gift, right? So if you are doing something day in and day out that you do not love, stop it and work intentionally and actively towards what it is you're supposed to be doing and that you actually love. Amen. All right, guys, have a super amazing evening. I hope that was helpful, and I will see you all soon.